Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, if you have a Mazda guys, any Mazda with a timing chain, we will explain guys how often you need to replace your timing chain. Some of you guys that think that it's a lifetime deal, okay, we'll prove you wrong. And how we know that? Because we replace so many engines on Mazda due to a failed chain guys. When that chain fails, or the timing chain tensioner, the chain will jump, you're going to smash the valves and the pistons, you're done, you need new engine. So stay with us guys, that's what we'll be doing. In the meantime, we'll have more than 200 videos on every vehicle we get at the shop, because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So let's start on it now. So we're currently working on this one, putting a new chain guys. This is a CX-7, but doesn't matter if you have a Mazda 3, 5, 6, CX-5, whatever it is guys, the Sky Actives as well. And you have a timing chain guys, okay, it will look like that. Now, this one has only 89,000 miles, believe it or not, 89,000 miles, and the chain was about to fail, and we will explain how we know that. Make sure you stay until the end with us. This is another motor out of a Mazda, okay, we have another one, another car that we need to fix because of a failed chain, and we've replaced so many in the past due to, okay, so many engines due to failed chain. Now, let me explain what happens guys. Okay, you can see the sprockets first, they're super thin. The chain itself, okay, it's not like the heavy duty chains they used to have in the 80s on the diesel, Mercedes diesel, or you know, like BMW engines. They all used to be double chains. This is what the chain looks like. It's very thin chain. Over time this chain stretches guys. Some of you that think it's it's not a replaceable item, you're wrong guys, okay, unless you have another $5,000 to spend on your engine and replacement. Or you want to buy a new car, go ahead and believe yourself. But this is guys the old tensioner, okay, this is the new tensioner, this is the old chain. This car with 89,000 miles, okay, and this chain guys completely, okay, probably it had another 1,000 miles before it failed. And how we know that? Let me show you now. That tensioner guys, okay, the chain stretches, the tensioner fails over time. It's hydraulic tensioner driven, okay, it's pumped by oil, but sometimes they will not keep the oil pressure. Those teeth will get wore out, okay, and we'll explain all that in a second. They will develop a slack on the timing chain, and you can see guys, this timing chain, look at the links, okay, this timing chain was hitting in the valve cover here guys, which means that the chain was stretched. Okay, the valve cover is practically wore out. There is spots wore out because of the chain here. And this guys is because of a bad stretch chain and a tensioner that's about to fail. So even if your chain doesn't fail, okay, that guy, they could often fail. So be prepared guys. Now this thing, okay, let us explain you how easy that thing is to press in compared to the new one. Check it out, super easy to compress. The spring is soft, it's not strong anymore, the teeth are wore out. On the new tensioner now guys, okay, this one, it's almost impossible to press it back in. Let me show you this way. Okay, the teeth super sharp, razor sharp. Now compressing it, okay, let me show you. Just trying to compress that thing, how hard it is. Okay, you cannot even press it all the way in. You have to use extreme amount of force to press it all the way in. Otherwise guys, it doesn't work, you can see. So definitely a failing tensioner as well. Now I'll recommend guys, what do we recommend? Most people think it's a lifetime deal. We've had Mazdas that most of them fail after 100,000 miles, the timing chains. This one has 89, it was about to fail. If it's my personal vehicle, I'll probably go to about 80,000 miles. But I can go as low as 60, depending on the driving cycles, if it's driven more short distance, city cycles, cold engines, because there will be more wear to the engine. So I'll recommend anywhere between 60 to 100,000 miles, depending on how you drive your vehicle anyways. So in my case, I usually go, on average, we go about 80,000 miles. So hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to some of you. Please guys, hit that subscribe button for more videos, and see you guys next time.